Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So we are back with one more question where you can see on screen that we need to find area of rectangle. Now in this they have given one quarter circle and one semicircle, and then the blue line is a tangent to that red semicircle. We may have to use some theorems, the circle theorem, the properties of circle, and then we'll try to solve for area of this rectangle. One common misconception in such questions is that we assume the radius of both quarter and semicircle to be same. Unless it is given, don't assume it to be same. They may or may not be same. So we'll assume it to be different. Let us say that this is center of the semicircle, and then we'll use the circle theorem that radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other. So let's say this is point O, and the radius of this will be, let's say, x, and the other radius for the quarter circle is, let's say, y, and this will also be y. Okay. So now if I look at the rectangle, then the dimensions of rectangle, length is x plus x, 2x plus y, and width is y. Area of rectangle is length times width, that is 2x plus y times y. If I open the bracket, expand it, then it will be 2xy plus y squared. Okay, now we'll keep it as it is for time being, and we'll move back to the right angle triangle which we have created by drawing that radius. Now since that perpendicular line, let's say OP, is a radius, it will have x as a value. If you look at triangle POA, and in triangle POA it's a right angle triangle, so I can say that hypotenuse, which is x plus y or y plus x whole square, is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Okay, please be very clear that hypotenuse is always a side opposite to 90 degree. That's why it looks like a longest side, but it is not. Opposite to 90 degree will be x plus y. Okay, this is once again a place where potentially anyone can make mistake. If we expand it, we will get y square plus x squared plus 2xy. On the other side we have x square plus 64. X square can get cancelled and we are left with y square plus 2xy is equal to 64. Interestingly, if you notice, the value of area which we solved earlier, that was also same as what we have got over here. So from here, by comparing, we can say that area is 64 and we are done. Okay, so this was quite a good question. It was not very difficult, but it all depends on how you approach it. If your approach is right, then this question is quite doable. So I hope you understood it. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.